Gotta brush my teeth. I want minty fresh breath. Huh? Barbie? I hope you flushed. Meh, never mind. La 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 la! Oops, my bad. Are you okay? What do you think? You need a makeover. Ooh, I need a pee. I drank too much soda. Whoa, no way. I'm glad to see you. Wait, let me help you. We're gonna be besties. What's that smell? It's you. We need to clean. Today's a special day. You're getting married. You both look so beautiful. Yikes, the bridesmaid looks terrible. This won't do. See ya. Save me! What a great book. Huh? What was that? Whoa, a new doll. This is my lucky day. Ready to do this? Oh, are you kidding me? I'll save you. Ew. What the? We need to fix this. Who are you? Hi, how's it going? I'm so not happy with this. Look at this mess. It's not coming off. But I have an idea. I'll use my makeup brush. Hold still. How's that? You need to do something. I won't give up. Let's try this. Come on. Seriously? It's still there. There's only one thing for it. Ooh, what's that? I'll add gold glitter. Let's make it even more colorful. My doll deserves the best. There's one more thing. I need a bath bomb. This is the fun part. Whoa, look at all the bubbles. It's pretty good, huh? I think it's ready. Is that for me? I can't wait. We'll get rid of these clothes. Oh, I'm so jealous. In you go. This'll definitely work. That should be long enough. Out you come. Wow, look at that. You're clean. Wow, that's impressive. So where's my glitter bath? Ugh, it's in your hair. Hey, stop it! I'm gonna sneeze. Achoo! What are you doing? Ew, I should have used a tissue. Oh, germs! Germs everywhere! Hold on, I can use this. I wish I didn't see that. This'll get rid of the dirt. I'm almost done. It worked! I knew it! That was nasty. Why would you do that? What about my hair? It's not looking good. But I have just the thing. It's my old hairbrush. It'll have to do. Do you even use conditioner? This isn't going well. Aha! I know. A trash can? Ew. Wow! It's like a treasure chest! Look, there's money in here. Wow! This day just gets better! I'll keep that for later. What? What else is in here? Oh, a drinking straw. This might be useful. Yeah, that'll be perfect! Time for a fresh new look. I'll divide the straw into pieces. Now I'll make a cut down the middle. Just like this. I'll brush glue onto the straw. Then I'll sprinkle glitter over it. I'll make sure it's covered. Then I'll wait for it to set. They'll make great hair curlers. I'll wrap my doll's hair around them. I think one more should do it. That's it! Now we wait. Wow! You're gonna look amazing! That's your big idea? Check this out. Wait, I have a better idea. What about my hair? Oh, pretty! Let's do this. I have a good feeling about this. You'll look like $1 million. Wow! I'm being spoiled! What else can we do? I know! I need your help. Yeah, right away. Here it is. This is just what we need. Here you go. You've earned this.
Thank you.
Let's get to work. I'll wrap your hair around the hook. Now I'll drag it through. I'll do the same with these tubes. Then the magic happens. The gadget will braid your hair. Whoa! It's better than I thought. It's like you've been to the salon. You look so stylish. Wow! It's perfect! Oh, I like it! I did a great job. My doll is looking so good. Huh? Where did you get those clothes? It's better than my doll's clothes. These are boring. I don't have time to go shopping. Ah, I've got it. Everything I need is in here. It's my jewelry. It's so shiny. Ooh, this looks nice. Wow, it's beautiful. Are you for real? How about this? This might do. I can make something special with this. Ready to be impressed? How am I supposed to compete with that? Let's get to work. Make yourself comfortable. I'll apply glue to the dress. Then I can stick the jewelry to it. I need some sparkle. These gems should do the job. Wow, you need to see this. This is more like it. What do you think? Wow, that doll is better dressed than I am. Well, that wouldn't be hard. This will definitely get attention. Wow, how can I thank you? It's over to you. What am I gonna do? Let me think. Aha! I know! I'll need this plant. Huh? What was that? It's the perfect crime. I'm gonna need a leaf. I'll place this onto my doll. Then I'll need a bigger leaf. I'll stick them together. I'll shape them into a skirt. Wow, look! Mother Nature would be proud. Is something wrong? What about my hair? You're right. Give me a second. How's that? You've got beautiful bouncy curls, and it was so easy. Do you like it? Wow, thank you. Anytime. It's not bad. My stomach's rumbling. I need food. Ooh, leftover popsicle. It looks good. I'm gonna enjoy this. Oh, you're gonna eat that? It's delicious. Ugh, I'll take your word for it. Wait, what's this? You don't have shoes. This is a disaster. What'll we do? Maybe there's something in my purse. It's just my pocket money. What else is there? It's just lots and lots of cash. Whoa, you carry that around? Would you mind if I… No, that's mine. Aw, you're mean. What am I gonna do with it? Wait, I have an idea. This'll be great. I'll put the money into a blender. I'll whiz it up. I need small pieces. That looks about right. I'll need tweezers. This is delicate work. I'll place it onto my doll's feet. I'll layer the money up. I'll shape it around her feet. Then I'll coat it with nail polish. Time to add some heels. Wow, those are some expensive boots. Stretch your stuff, girl. They look wonderful. Wow, those look fancy. I mean, look at them. Wow, those are nice. What is that on your hand? What are you talking about? Look, your hand is gooey. My popsicle melted. I better clean it off. But I can use the popsicle stick first. I'll cut 2 small pieces from it. Then I'll need a pipe cleaner. I've made holes in the wood. I'll thread the pipe cleaner through them. Now my doll has sandals. Let's try them out. Whoa, are those for me? They fit perfectly. Wow, they look so stylish. Do you like them? Oh, this is thirsty work. I need a drink. That's all you've got? It's better than nothing. Ah, refreshing. But now it's gone. Wait. This would make a great hat. Are you for real? Oh yeah, this is gonna happen. I'll need to make some alterations. I'll make cuts around the edge. Then I'll fan them out. Now I need string. I'll wrap it around itself. That looks good. I'll put glue on top of the cup. Then I'll stick the glue to it. I'll give it a press. I'll loop more string around it. Then I'll go around the side. Next, I'll cut off the flaps. And I'll add a ribbon. The flower is the final touch. It's so cute. Let's put it on. Wow! It's amazing! Oh, butler. I need a new outfit. Can you speed this up? Ooh, I like this color. This should be good. Wait. Is that a hat? Wow! Look at me! You deserve it. Let me see that. I know what to do. Is that gold fabric? I only need a small piece. I'll place it over my doll's head. I'll hold it in place with a rubber band. Now I'll trim off the excess. I don't want to cut her hair. Then I'll add a visor. It's a baseball cap and it's made of gold. What about that? Oh, it's good. But I prefer mine. It's a classic look. Stylish and chic. It's the perfect outfit for my doll. She really pulls it off. I'm so happy. Please, have you seen my doll? This outfit has everything. Glitz, glamour, and gold. It's just what my doll needed. I'd wear it. This is fantastic! Whoa! Hey, handsome! Sup, ladies? Huh? Romance is in the air. What are you waiting for? Go and talk to him! This is my lucky day. It sure is. We should hang out. This is the start of a great friendship. It sure is. When you're looking good, you're feeling good. Even if you're a doll. Who do you think gave the best makeover? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.